Okay, now let's talk about default parameter values in Python. So the default parameter values in Python are the values that Python automatically uses when you don't provide an argument for a parameter. So let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to define a function called run command. I'm going to call the parameter command, colon, enter, and I'm going to create a variable connection. Oops. And I'm going to say connect handler, which is the factory function from the Netmiko library. And I'm going to unpack the dictionary above, device. I'm going to say output, connection, the connection object, and I'm going to call the send command method. I'm going to pass in the parameter or variable, and I'm going to say connection, disconnect. So this is how you disconnect the connection. And I'm going to say return output. Okay, so let me go ahead and call this function. So to call this function, you need to type the function name, command, and let's say I'm not going to provide a argument. And by the way, I can create a variable called result to store the output of that call. And I'm going to say print result to print the result on the screen, right? So now I'm going to go ahead and run this code. See what happens. Yeah, so now we see a error. So it says the function, which is run command, missing one required positional argument. So that's what happens if you don't provide a argument. So to create a default parameter with values, you need to say equals, and I'm going to say show version, which is the default values. So this is now a default parameter. Okay, and let's go ahead and run the code again. Now we see the output of the command show version, even though we did not specify a argument to call the function, right? So there's no argument here that we specified. So what happens if we specify a argument? So I'm going to say result 2. Yeah. So what happens if I specify another command? So in this case, show IP interface brief. So this is the argument that we are specifying or passing in this call. Okay, so what we expect is, aside from the show version command, which is this, the default value, we are going to see the output of the show IP interface brief because we are specifying a argument here, right? So let me go ahead and run the code again. So we see the output of the show version command, and now we see the output of the show IP interface brief. So that's how you can use default parameter values in Python. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.